Welcome to our video on designing a poster for an event or a cause. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of creating an impactful poster. We'll discuss layout, hierarchy, and composition techniques that will make your design stand out. Let's begin. A poster is a powerful medium for promoting an event or cause. It grabs attention, communicates key information, and creates a visual impact. Here's how you can create an impactful poster. Define your objective. Clearly understand the purpose of your poster. Identify the key message you want to convey and the target audience you're trying to reach. Gather information. Collect all the relevant information about the event or cause. Determine the essential details such as date, time, location, and any other relevant information to include on the poster. Now, let's dive into the design process of your poster. Layout. Select a layout that suits the content and purpose of your poster. Consider the hierarchy and flow of information. Common layout options include a central focal point, grid-based designs, or asymmetrical arrangements. Hierarchy. Establish a clear visual hierarchy to guide the viewer's attention. Use size, color, and typography to differentiate between the headline, subheadings, and body text. Make sure the most important information stands out. Composition. Use composition techniques to create visual interest and balance. Explore techniques such as the rule of thirds, symmetry, or asymmetry to arrange the elements in a visually appealing way. Typography. Choose fonts that complement the overall theme and purpose of your poster. Use a combination of fonts for the headline, subheadings, and body text to add visual interest. Ensure readability and legibility, even from a distance. Color and visual elements play a crucial role in creating an impactful poster design. Color palette. Select a color palette that aligns with the event or cause. Consider the emotions and associations that different colors evoke. Use color strategically to create contrast, highlight important information, and evoke the desired mood. Imagery and graphics. Include relevant images or graphics that enhance the visual appeal and convey the theme or message of the poster. Ensure that the visuals are high quality and complement the overall design. White space. Utilize white space strategically to create breathing room and focus on key elements. Avoid overcrowding the poster with too much information or visuals. And there you have it, the process of designing an impactful poster. By considering layout, hierarchy, composition, color, and visual elements, you can create a poster that effectively communicates your message and captures attention. So, get creative, spread your message, and make a visual impact.